what's up, YouTube addicts? I'm Jamie, and as you can see, I'm super, super sweaty. My hair is soaked, my shirt is wet, so I wanted to explain why. This is part 2 of our Breakup Anthems workout. The first part is gonna be on the Studio Online. It's our on-demand subscription. We have promo codes in the description to give you half off your first 3 months, and everybody gets a 7-day free trial. So really, you got nothing to lose. Even at half off, it's like 37 cents a day to get this sweaty and have this much fun with us every single day. There's 3 new workouts uploaded every single week, at least, and sometimes even more. And here are the songs in part 1. And here are the songs for part 2 that you're about to do with us. Let's get sweaty. All right, this song is called Better Off Without You. Sometimes that's the case. Sometimes it takes a long time to figure that out, but this is full of positive energy, lots of high vibes. Sometimes that's all you need to feel a lot better. Take a little bounce. Move with positivity and energy, right? We're gonna take it to a circle. Hip roll. Again. I never thought that I'd be lost, but I found the truth. I was searching for me and you. All right, we're gonna reach right here. Right. Left side. This is the best part. Give yourself a hug. Left side. Hug time. Oh, that feels so good, right? We go right back to the beginning. How does that feel to give yourself a little hug? Oh, and all the things that we've been through. Listen. Now it's time to start putting me first. Turn it out. Try to right hip roll all your wrongs. I never thought that I'd be lost, but I found the truth. I was searching for me in you. Reach it. Now I'm better off without you. And it's finally clear to see. Left. The person I was missing. It's not you. Who is it? It's me. Now I'm better off without you. And I've never felt so free. I want you to feel the freedom in that, right? Feels so good. Step touch. Better up, ay. Better up without you. Tap back. Better up, ay. Better up without big breath in. The world was crumbling. Take it down. When I woke up and you weren't in my bed. Inhale. And I was left to wondering how you could walk away. One more time. 'Cause I'm better off without you. Make that so big. I've never felt so free. That's the person I was missing. It's not you, it's me. Again. Better off, better off. Better off without you. Last time. Give yourself a hug, girl. You're doing a good job. All right, this is all about the friend zone. You know how that goes. You got a bestie, and all of a sudden they're like, but I love you. And you're like, whoa, babe, I love you too, but
I say you crazy, we're nothing more than friends.
Sometimes you're on the other end of that.
You're not my love,
that's
but
no fun
more
either.
like a brother. I know you since we were like 10.
We're gonna turn it
Don't
out.
mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that made me crazy.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go right to left. 1, 2, 3, jump, jump, circle it out. Same thing to the left. 1, 2, 3, ha, ha. Get low into those legs. Here's that pivot move. Get ready for it. Right foot. back, front, back, pivot.
F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear?
Sorry, that was my bad. Jump back, from the top. If you end up going the wrong way, you can see it's real easy just to recover from that. So don't worry about it. Ain't nobody perfect, baby. We're gonna turn it out. Push it away.
Only gonna push me away, that's it. Have you got no shame? You looking insane.
Here we go. 4, 3, 2, jump high, drop low. Pivot.
Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it
Back, front, back.
F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear?
Last time. Now we're gonna go.
R-I-E-N-D-S. That's how you
Bring it back in.
F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Get that shit inside your head. No, no.
Bring it in.
F-R-I-E-N-D-S. We're just friends. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can be reasoned, but don't be impolite.
Now you know this. Are you ready for that pivot? I want you to hit it hard. Here we go.
Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear?
Make it big. Go. Last time. Hup. 2. We're going to take it back. Hup. Take it back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now heel tap. Heel, toe. 1, 2, 3. 2 knees. You'll get this. Heel. 1, 2, 3. 2 knees. Yeah.
And now I'm all up on you. What you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight.
All right, we're gonna tap it back. And we're gonna pivot right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, left. Pivot. Hup. From the top. Hup. Take it back. Same thing. Hup. Take it back. Heel tap. 2 knees. Ow! You nailed it! I know you did. Hup. Same thing, left side. Hup. Hup. Single, single, double. Right here, 2. Again. Get low. Right here. Stay right here with me. Get that heart rate up a little bit here. Inhale. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just want me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. Heel tap. Up. Inhale. Every song today is going to end like that.
When when
All
I'm
right,
underneath the
so
bright
when
lights.
she says the word up,
When I'm trying to
you're
have
gonna
a
hit your
good time.
hand to your hip
Cause I'm good
on
now,
the
you
other
ain't
side.
mine. Nah, 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 nah.
Snap.
Don't call me up when you're looking at my photos. Getting hot, losing control.
Yeah.
You want me more now? I
Hit it
let
3
go.
times.
Nah, nah, nah,
We're gonna
nah.
roll.
I'm over
Snap.
you and I don't need your lies no
Switch
more.
sides.
Cause the truth is without you, boy, I'm stronger.
All right, take that right leg
And
out.
I
Listen.
know you said that I'd change up a cold heart, but it was your game that last. Cause ooh, I'm over you.
We're gonna stomp 2 times.
Don't
2
call me
knees.
up, I'm
Boom.
going out
Hey.
tonight. Feeling good now you're out of my life. Don't wanna talk about us, gotta leave it behind. One drink and you're out of my mind. Not to get up. Baby, I'm
Hit that hard.
You're alone,
You're
going
strong
out of your
now.
mind. But I'm here up in the club,
You're not even thinking about it.
and I don't wanna talk.
From the
So
top.
don't call me up, cause I'm here looking
Stop.
fine, babe. And I got eyes looking my way. And
3
everybody's
times,
on my
hold it.
vibe, babe. Nah, 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 nah. Don't call me up. My friend said you were a bad man. I should've listened to the
Really
back
pop that
then.
hip.
And now you're trying to hit
3
me up
times.
again. Nah, nah,
Hip
nah,
roll.
nah. I'm over you and I don't need your lies no more.
Switch sides.
Cause the truth is without you, boy, I'm stronger.
Take that right leg out.
And I know you said that I'd change up a cold heart, but it was your game that last. Cause ooh,
Hup, wave it.
I'm over you.
Any way that feels good. Stomp.
Don't
Hup.
call me up, I'm
We're gonna go
going
right
out
here.
tonight. Feeling
Stop,
good now you're
stop,
out of my life.
pull.
Don't wanna talk about us, gotta leave it behind. One drink and you're out of my mind.
Make
Not
it big.
to get up. Baby, I'm on the high and you're alone, going out of your mind. But I'm here up in the club.
All right, we got some crazy legs coming. You're gonna go
So don't call me
out,
up.
in, front, in, out, in.
Don't call me up.
I get it. This is a little tricky. If you can't get it, don't worry about it.
Don't call me up.
Hip roll.
Over you and I don't need your lies no more. Cause the truth is without you, boy, I'm stronger.
Here we go, right
And I
side, go.
know you said that I'd change up a cold heart, but it was your game that last. Cause ooh, I'm over you. Don't call me up, I'm going out tonight. Feeling good now you're out of my life.
Let that feel good. You're over it. It's over. You get to start fresh.
Baby, I'm on the high and you're alone, going out of your mind. But I'm here up in the club, and I don't wanna talk.
Crazy legs.
So don't call me up.
Just kidding. I was ready for it though. Nice job today. Everybody that worked out with us, thank you so much. If you're heartbroken, I hope you feel a little bit better, a little more free, a little happier. Don't forget to surround yourself with positive things, and everything will be okay. We're gonna cool down just a little here, and a little stretch. And inhale your arms up.
Lay a whisper
Exhale, forward fold.
on my pillow.
Grab the outsides of your
The
feet.
winter
Let your head hang.
on the ground.
Shift the hips right to left.
I wake up lonely. The stare of silence in the bedroom.
And we're gonna roll it up.
All around.
Take it out. Drop it down. Left shoulder drops. Peek up over the right shoulder. Engage your core.
Dream away.
Inhale, center. Exhale, right shoulder down.
It
Sway
must have
left to
been
right.
love, but it's over now. It must have been good.
And we're gonna go back into that forward fold. Drop it down. Walk the hands to the right. Keep the legs nice and straight. Try and flatten the back. And then we're just gonna press our back leg back as we bend the right knee, stretching that left calf. Pulse it out.
We're together, that I'm sheltered.
Name that movie. Put it in the comments. What movie is this from? Now lift up and sit back. Lift the toes. Take the hips right to left. I'll know if you comment that you made it to the end. I'll give you a little love. Forward fold again. Inhale up. Use your core all the way up. Squeeze in tight. And down. We're gonna drop that back leg back. Here we go. Close it out.
But it's over now. It was all that I wanted. Now I'm living without.
All right, we're going to press the calf back. Stretch it out. And then all the way back up again. Take the arms up. And over. We're going to take it out and do just a little bit of squats. Hip circles. Isolate, squeeze, and control. Switch directions. Just a little bit of burn in the cool down. Inhale up. Walk the feet in. Forward fold. Beautiful. Roll it up, right side. Go. 4, 3, 2. Up right to left. Take it down. Give yourself a hug. Tell yourself that you deserve everything awesome, everything good. You might have a little bit of a broken heart now, but you know what? Things are happening in the background. Someone's taking care of you. You just don't know about it. And you're going to be better off in the future than you ever thought possible. Just keep surrounding yourself with positive people, positive things.